What's up, y'all? So we got an LG washing machine right here. I'll put the model and everything in the description with the serial number. But the customer states that it's grinding. It's just having a really hard time going and washing. But the thing that I did was I took the center cap off right there, and then it's a single screw in there. And you can take that screw out and wiggle until you can get that plate off. Once you get the plate off, you can see right here, man, it's so jacked up that the teeth on the inside of that plate is gone. But here it is right here. You see that single screw right there. You take that out and you wiggle that plate off, and you can see the actuator in here. So this thing is pretty much grinded down. Look like the customer probably put, I don't know, mud in there all the time. So make sure you all are cleaning your stuff off before you put it in the washing machine. Well, just like heavy soil, mud, all that type stuff. But the washing machine was also draining water onto the floor. That hose was just disconnected from that drain pipe there. So we got to put that back in. But we just got this checked out today. So we're going to order parts, and when everything come in, that's when I get back on here and show y'all how to install it. Peace.